Facebook not working on your phone. I will walk you through this step-by-step tutorial to fix this. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to the internet. Simply check your data connection or Wi-Fi and make sure it's connected. If the page doesn't load, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Also, try toggling airplane mode on and off from Control Center. If the app is stuck or frozen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Find the Facebook app and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the app. Remember, an outdated app can cause problems. Simply go to Apps Store and open the App Store on your iPhone. From here, tap your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down to see pending updates. Simply scroll through to find Facebook. If Facebook is listed, tap Update. Well, sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. And by doing this, press and hold the side button and the volume up until the slider appears. Slide to power off. And that's it! One of these steps should fix Facebook not working on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips.